Alright, so this is the last Raptor run of 2017. Raleigh put it on. He's the guy in the red Gen 1 that you saw flying in the beginning of the video. It was like kind of a last minute thing. Everyone put the word out and ended up getting like 23 trucks. So it's a big group. There were some new guys. There was a Chevy ZR2. There was a couple F-150s, but everyone's welcome on these runs. They just end up turning into Raptor runs. We drove out here with Marcus, that guy in the white Gen 1 from the intro, and we bumped into that other F-150. We didn't know him. We caught him on camera, and it turns out he was coming to the same spot. Joe was supposed to come too, but he overslept, so whatever. We just came over here and met a bunch of people. A couple guys, one guy from up north came all the way down here too. It just turned into a really big group.
How's she doing? I hit a few hard things too. Hell yeah. Yeah, that was a rough section we went through. How's yours feel? She's snapping or what? Just sleeping? How's the baby like off-roading? Oh, nice. Wow. You know what that means, right? That means you drive gay, dude. How's it going, man? How you been? Good to see you too, man.
Awesome.
Yeah?
So much better.
Yeah.
It's like, especially going through all that wash, we'd take off things like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know, I can't wait to get mine done.
Because you're doing the Robbie Wilson, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I was supposed to drop it off in November, but not until January. So whatever.
So you end up doing a lot of that, just running, pulling over, running, pulling over, running in a straight line like this. And the whole trip was around 137 miles. We only got to do half because you ran out of time. I'll put a picture up here and I'll put links in the description to the entrances and all that. But yeah, hopefully we can go back soon and finish the other half. We found some jumps eventually, and yeah, we just kept on going.
Oh, that was a bit of a hike. Yeah, I did.
Alright, sweet.
Oh no, I didn't. Marcus might have. I was still back here.
I might have to get that from one of you guys.
We should do it again.
You don't want to do that.
What's gonna happen?
We're going to do it where anybody wants to do it.
So this weird thing, this house right there on the right, that's Mrs. Orchid's house. I don't know the story behind her, but this round thing is her driveway, and it stretches into a 4-mile long whatever road that we all got rock damage from following each other because it's covered in dust. But Car and Driver's been there, done some high-speed road tests, whatever. It's just an abandoned 4-mile stretch. Beyond that, there's a volcano. There's a house on top of a volcano. I guess it used to be Hugh Hausner's house. It broke the record when it sold in Barstow for $750,000. And then we ended up here, this burger den. I guess it's the original Del Taco. I had no idea. Anyways, I'll put map links to all these places in the description. And thanks for watching, guys. And please subscribe and like.